Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment and why it matters. A correct compiler and path ensure consistent output. Install the toolchain, verify versions, and place source and headers in one folder so the build finds them. Once done, create a minimal build script or makefile that compiles one file first. This reveals include and link issues early. Make sure to declare the target architecture and optimization flags now, because those choices influence binary size and compatibility later. You now run the core build. Compile each translation unit and address errors as they appear, because fixing one file prevents cascades of failures. Then link objects into a single binary. If you encounter undefined references, add the missing libraries or reorder link flags. Once done, test a debug build to catch runtime logic problems, and then create a release build with optimization flags and optional symbol stripping. Make sure to verify platform-specific dependencies, like runtime DL. You finish by preparing the executable for users and explaining why each step prevents common failures. Set execution permissions on Unix, sign or add manifests on Windows, and bundle necessary runtime libraries so it runs elsewhere. Once done, run the program in the target environment and perform basic workflows. If something goes wrong, capture logs and a backtrace, then rerun the same inputs under the debug build to reproduce and isolate the fault quickly. Make sure to iterate until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.